Hello everybody, I'm here in this ancient comptoir, which is the family residence of the Wu.
The Hu family mansion was established in 1589 during the Wanli period of the Ming Dynasty. Its overall layout and architecture represent a typical northern Chinese quadrangle courtyard covering an area of approximately 5,000 square meters. The Hu family mansion is a typical representative of Ming Dynasty residential architecture, with its well-preserved structure showcasing the architectural style, techniques, and lifestyle of that era. The unique architectural style and exquisite decorations reflect the artistic charm of traditional Chinese architecture.
It witness of the rise and the fall of the Wu family. I recommend to people to come here and feel the history and these historical changes.